How's it going, everyone? It's Rob, and today we have my Z06 here behind me. It's up on the lift. Korey is going ham, tearing this thing apart, working on it behind me, because we are going to be installing the Valvetronic titanium Z06 exhaust. We're going to go join Korey in the back of the car and go see what he's up to. So let's get into it. All right, so we are pretty close to being done, just kind of buttoning up some of the last few things, and we thought we were done with the hardest part, but what we're running into right now is something very interesting. We're trying to plug the valves in, and the orientation of the plug into the actual valves on the exhaust, it's in an interesting spot where it is touching the exhaust. So when that exhaust gets hot, it's going to melt those plugs. So that's kind of what we're trying to work through right now to figure out. So if you are familiar, maybe you did this on your car, let us know. Korey, anything?
This is my second time doing it, and same exact thing the second time.
So the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. So we're trying something different because ideally we don't want the same result.
Please.
First startup.
No.
Not too bad. Holy cow. It sounds so good. Yeah! Let's go!
RT power!
No, that's straight American power. Korey, what do you think? You think we can shoot some flames out of this thing?
I ain't dumping fuel in it.
I think we can. I'm gonna set the camera up outside and go try it.
Outside?
Yeah, why would I do it inside? You would do it inside?
Absolutely. It's 10 o'clock at night.
Korey, you look so done.
I'm fine.
You look so done with this. Also, just in case you're curious, the clearance.
It's okay.
It's probably fine.
A great success!
And there you guys have it. We've now got the titanium Valvetronic Z06 exhaust fully installed. All that's left now is a valve relearn with Alex tomorrow. So we'll get that taken care of, but I absolutely love it. Fingers crossed, hopefully my neighbors do too. But this thing sounds insane in person. Videos don't do it justice. You just feel it in your chest when it's revved up or starting or making any kind of noise. It sounds fantastic. And the rear fascia we did looks even better. I'm so excited. That is a huge step in the right direction of my plan and goal of what I want to do with this car, which you'll see more of here in the next coming months on this channel. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to let me know by leaving a like down below, comment, and subscribe. As always, I'm Rob with a Z06, and I'll see you guys in the next video.